volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. Then Manasi, volume of the pipe is pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Okay. Now next one, right? The surface area of a hemisphere. Surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Okay. Then next one, total surface area 3 pi r square. Total surface area, this is CSA. This is TSA is 3 pi r square. Volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, check all the formulas again, recheck it. Okay, look, check all the formulas. Okay, listen, I'll read it all. Okay, listen. First, listen, check your book. Cuboid, TSA, 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. See, LSA, 2 times L plus B into H. That is base perimeter into height. Volume is LBH. Diagonal root of L square plus B square plus H square. I hope cuboid, everyone clear now. Right? Then next is Q. TSA 6A square. Then LSA 4A square. Volume A cube. Diagonal of a cube is A root 3. Diagonal of a square is A root 2. Next, pipe, cylinder. Total surface area 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Then CSA 2 pi rh. Volume pi r square h. Then pipe 2 pi RH plus 2 pi small rh plus pi capital R square minus pi small r square into 2. Volume is pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Cone. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. TSA pi r square plus pi rl, where L equal to root of h square plus r square. CSA pi rl. Then sphere, total surface area 4 pi r square, volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, CSA 2 pi r square, TSA 3 pi r square, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. I hope clear now, right? Okay. So now we got all the, now your turn, because all application only. Look, listen here. I have a question. Even though you have these formulas, you cannot apply straight away. You have to apply, depends on the situation. For example, this one room is painting. Okay. Hello. One room is painting. Which area you'll paint? Which area you'll paint? Whether TSA or LSA or LSA plus roof, right? Which area you'll paint? Now my question, TSA. Option A, TSA. Option B, CSA. Option C, CSA plus base. Next, CSA plus roof. Which one? Which one? This one option. CSA plus, okay, CSA plus roof, correct or no? CSA plus roof, not walls only. What about the roof? Correct or no? Aditya, roof we have to paint, correct? Isha, are you getting or not? Joan. Isha. Hello. Pooja. Okay. Isha is here or not? You can hear me or not? Hello, Isha. So, okay. So that means the painting is LSA plus roof. Okay. What about window? Window also, the curtain also you paint, the door also you paint. Maybe the owner may be inside the room. You paint the owner also. So don't paint the owner. Maybe his color will change. His relative cannot recognize him after painting. Okay, so you have to LSA plus roof minus window and okay. When I reach the paper, I'll tell you that. Now you listen this one. Okay. Okay. This Isha. Okay, so now look at here that okay that listen depends on the situation. Depends on situation. You have to change the formulas. Don't by heart the formula and apply it. Clear now? So you saw now painting the room CSA plus roof normally minus windows and doors. Okay. Okay, you have a pillar in your building. Correct or not? Listen, the pillar is in your building. Pillars. You want to paint. Where will paint? TSA or the CSA or CSA plus base or CSA plus top? Roshan. Okay, you can answer it. Anyone can answer it. Aditya, CSA. Listen. Okay, you have to paint CSA or okay. What about others' answer? Come on. Only CSA, only sure. Roshan, only CSA. Come on, man. Answer first. You have to paint the paint the pillars. You have to paint the CSA only. Correct or no? Because you cannot paint base and top. If you want to paint base, the building will collapse. Okay. Another question. Listen. Suppose a well. Okay, a well. You have to plaster with the cement. Where will plaster it? A well. You have a well. You see it well. Okay. You have to plaster with the cement. Where will plaster it? CSA or TSA or CSA plus top or CSA plus base. Hello? CSA, Kedagi CSA plus top. Okay, Divya TSA. Okay, Dia CSA plus top. Asta CSA plus top. CSA plus top. Okay, Isha CSA plus top. Okay, let's start. Come on, fast. What about Ronit, Amisha, Radhika, Asmi? Come on fast. You have to start the questions. Hello. A well joined CSA plus base. Okay. So listen. But what about rest all? Ronit, Roshan, Aditi, CSA plus top. Okay, good. Come on. Deepa, Cyril, ask the rest all. Kavya, Kaushik, Mansi, Misha, Mozina, Nishi, Pooja, two Poojas. Okay, Simran, Vignesh. Hey, Vignesh, tomorrow science no? Okay, you came. Okay. Okay, look at here, man. Listen, you said CSA plus base, guys. Okay, if it is a base is plaster with the cement, from where the water comes? That will not see the well. In well, the base is open. Correct or no? Base is earth only. It is open, right? That place only water comes, right? So that means CSA then. Base no need. Correct or no? Base no need. Okay. Then next answer they said CSA plus top. Okay. If it is base is plastered with cement, it is not a well. It's a tank only. Then you have to arrange another pipe for the water. Okay. Now second, guys, CSA plus top. If top is closed, then how will take the water? The well means what? I think you're not seeing the well. Well is open only, top. Correct or not? Usually the well is open. Maybe we will put some net. That is separate, but not close. Correct or not? Not seen. Amar, Pooja, Diya, and all. No, plaster. Yeah, the well we plaster. Side will plaster with the cement. So that means no. It is for top is width. Forget about it. Width not concerned here because other side is earth touch now. The top border case. Forget about that. I'm talking about Asmi. You're talking about the border. The top a border is there. Not that. Well means the not included that part. So that means a CSA, well, you have to find out only CSA only. The side only you have to plaster with cement. Okay. No need top. Top is plaster means close. We no use that well. And we cannot put the base also. Clear now? Okay. So that will depends on the question. You have to edit your formula center. Okay. So now write a question. Question number 1. We are going to start the question now. Ready the questions? Okay. This is fully calculation part. Okay. 2 cubes each of 2 cubes each of 2 cubes each of 2 cubes each of 10 centimeter edge. 2 cubes each of 10 centimeter edge. 2 cubes each of 10 centimeter edge are joined end to end. Are joined end to end. Are joined end to end. Okay. It's not a radar question. Radar last after finishing the extra questions, we'll take the radar one day. Okay. Here, this is 10. This is 10. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay. This also 10. How to do? L equal to how much? 20. B equal to 10. H equal to 10. Now we can find out. Do it now. Okay. Okay. Do first. Okay. Okay, so answer is what? 1000 centimeter cube. Sorry, square. 1000 centimeter square. 1000 centimeter square. Yeah, surface area means total only. Understood now? Surface area means total only. Otherwise, they will specify CSA. Okay. This chapter, whenever is pi value, if not specified, you can use 22/7. Okay. Listen here. Next question. 3 cubes whose edges finish. I have finished all right. 3 cubes whose edges measure 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. 3 cubes whose edges measure 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter, respectively, to form a single cube. To form a single cube. 3 cubes whose edges measure 3 cubes whose edges measure 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. To form a single cube, find its edge. Find its edge. Also find the surface area of the new cube. Also find the surface area of the new cube. Also find the surface area of the new cube. Okay, can you try? Hello. 3 cubes. What will do this one? What do you have to find out? 3 cubes. Using 3 cubes. Okay, Deepa. 3 cubes whose edges 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, respectively, to form a single cube. Okay. To form a single cube. Find the surface area. Find the edge of the new cube. What will do this one actually? You have to find the volume. Correct or no? Correct. You find you melt and forming a new cube. Suppose if we have a 100-gram gold chain. Come on, a 100-gram gold chain if we have. Okay, you have to make it 2020 model, Corona model. Okay, hello. Your chain is old one, maybe 2019 model. You wish to change to Corona model. So what you will do? Okay, you can who will melt it? You go to the kitchen and keep it in fry pan and melt it. Aditya. Then, okay, you got the goldsmith, right or no? You go to goldsmith and you tell you show one corona picture, and he will make it like that. Okay, so after making that, how much will be the chain? Sure, 100 gram, right? Roshan, listen, man, here. Sure, 100 gram, right? So okay, like that here. Here, look at here. 3 cubes, V1 plus V2 plus V3 equal to V. Correct or no? V1 plus V2 plus V3. So here that is 3 cube. 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube equal to V, capital V. How much that? 27 plus 64 plus 125 equal to capital V. The capital V equal to how much? 216. Therefore, side equal to 6. The side of the new cube is 6. Then we have to find out the surface area. 6 into 6 square. How much that? So that means the side is 6. Surface area is 216. Surface area is 216. Okay. Surface area is 216, not Roshan. You didn't listen this one. How are you getting 1296? From where you got this one? Surface area of a cube is 6a square only. Which formula you apply? Okay, so you didn't listen to me. You started your work. Okay, finish now. Isha, finish or not? Juan, finish. Okay. Juan, your class, which chapter now? Isha, you're from which place in India? Telangana. Oh, okay. Telangana. Okay. Telangana now, rain or hot season? Okay. So now, introduction of trigonometry. So for you, okay. For you, okay, Juan. For you, okay, right? You studied already. Okay. So next question, right? 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Are joined end to end. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, find out. Question again. 3 cubes each of side, 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter, 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Okay, Priyadarshini, 3 cubes, 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, try now. Okay. How much? Dia, check 350 or 450. Dia, check. Length is 15. Breadth is 5. Height is 5. Right? Okay, I have finished this one. Next question. This is a very big, it will be big chapter. One part is removed. Last part, frustum, that is removed. Right. 2 cubes each of volume. 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 64 centimeter cube. 2 cubes each of volume. 64 centimeter cube. 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. 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 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area, find the surface area and volume of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area and volume of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area and find the surface area and volume of the resulting cuboid. Find once again 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter. 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting. Find the surface area and volume of the resulting cuboid. Okay, find out. Okay, what you got? 3 cubes each of volume 64. Okay, volume is a cube. You can find this one. A cube is 64. A equal to 4. So first cube, second cube, 4, 4. Okay, you find out. Okay, so finish. DSA is 160 centimeter square. Volume is 128. Finish. DSA is 160. Listen, keep one extra sheet with you and all calculations there. Don't do all kachara work in your notebook. Don't do anything in margin. Okay. Don't do any calculations in the margin. Margin only, question numbers only. Question number, star mark, like that. And top of the book, also don't write anything. Okay. You take a rough sheet nearby. Okay. Take a rough sheet nearby. Then all calculations, all kachara calculation outside. Okay. So here now, L equal to 8, B equal to 4, H equal to 4. We can find the TSA is 160. Correct? Then volume is 128. Finish? Finish all now. Hello, finish. Okay, so next question. Okay, the diameter of a, the diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted and drawn. It is melted and drawn into a wire having diameter cross section as 0.2 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted and drawn into a wire having diameter cross section as 0.2 centimeter. 0.2 centimeter. Okay, find the length of the wire. Find the length of the wire. Find the length of the wire. Okay, can you try? The diameter of a metallic sphere. Listen, the diameter of a metallic sphere 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It's melted and forming a wire having diameter cross section 0.2 centimeter. Find the length. Okay, you can write single line. Volume of the sphere equal to volume of the wire. So 4/3 pi into R is what? 3 into 3 into 3. Don't substitute pi. Listen, this type of question don't substitute pi. 4/3 into 4/3 pi into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to here wire is cylindrical. Pi into R is 0.1. 1/10 into 1/10 into h. H you have to find out. Clear now? Okay, so now pi both sides cancel. 3 here cancel. 3 in 4 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 equal to h. How much that? H equal to how much? Uh, 3600 centimeter. So, or 36 meter. Or 36 meter. Okay. So the answer is 36 meter or 3600 centimeter. 3600 centimeter. I have finished all now, right? Okay. Joanne, you finish? Anyone had doubt? Isha, finish now? Anyone had doubt? Today, easy questions only. Okay. So next question. Right. The diameter of a metallic sphere is the diameter of a metallic sphere. The diameter of a metallic sphere. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The sphere is melted and drawn. The sphere is melted. The sphere is melted. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire of uniform cross section. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The sphere is melted. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire of uniform cross section. Into a wire of uniform cross section. Find the, okay, the length of the wire is 36 centimeter. The length of the wire is 36 meter. The length of the wire is 36 meter. The length of wire is 36 meter. Find the radius. Okay. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. Okay. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire or uniform cross section. Length of the wire is 36 meter. Find its radius. Find its radius. Okay. Do first. Okay. Find first. Okay. So finish. The question is, look at here. Look. A sphere 4 by 3 pi r cubed. 4 by 3 pi into r. Don't substitute pi value. Uh, 3 into 3 equal to pi into r is r square into h is what? 36 meter. 3600. Okay. All in cancel. Pi cancel. Okay. So 4 into 3 into 3. Correct or not? 4 into 3 into 3 equal to r square into 3600. R square equal to 4 into 3 into 3 divided by 3600. Okay, here 900, right? This is 300. So 100. So 1 by 100. So R equal to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 means 0.1. So 10 millimeter. Hey, 1 millimeter, right? 1 millimeter. Aditya, 1 millimeter. Check, Aditya. Okay. Okay. Okay, so finish now. Next question. Right. This is a star question. Put a star mark. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter. A well. So I didn't touch the reader now. Okay, reader. Later we'll discuss it. Okay. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter. A well with 10-meter inside diameter is dug 14-meter deep. Is dug 14-meter deep. Okay. A well with 10-meter inside diameter is dug 14-meter deep. 14 meter deep. Earth taken out of it. Earth taken out of it. Earth taken out of it is spread all round to a width of 5 meter to form an embankment. 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 Find the height of the embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Okay. This Pooja Nagarajan. What is your plan? When are you coming, Pooja? And Kural in India now. The Vayani. 26th through Dubai. Oh, okay. But now Dubai little bit rushed now. Okay. So through a package or you are arranging? Okay. So today's okay. So you have to go for a COVID test when you have to go for a PCR test, right? Okay. Right. Question again. Okay. Yeah. Better. I think 72 hours. Right. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter. A well. Okay. You have the visa with you, right? No. No. Already civil ID valid, right? Then no problem. Okay. Now other till January next January. Oh, good. Okay. Otherwise, you have to keep that mobile app. Okay. And keep it a picture in your phone, because they will ask here. They will ask. They have to give. One of my friend today came. He took little bit time to show the mobile app. Then the immigration officer got angry. Then he sent him to again PCR test here. Okay, or paper, keep it ready. Okay. So for you, no problem. Okay. No, this for you, no problem. You have civil ID with you, then no need to worry. Okay. Right. Listen. Listen here. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter. I'll explain this question. A well with a 10-meter inside diameter is dug 14 meter deep. Is dug 14 meter deep. Earth taken out of it. Earth taken out of it is spread all round. Is spread all round to a width of 5 meter. To a width of 5 meter to form an embankment. To form an embankment. Find the height of embankment. Find the height of embankment. Okay. Look at here. Here, embankment means what? Border. Correct or no? Embankment means border. Suppose this is the well. If there is no border, people may have chance to fall. Okay. Here, this is the width is here 5-meter radius, 10-meter diameter, 5-meter radius. Embankment border here, like this. Okay, this is the border. Okay. The width is 5 meters, the total is 10 meters. Okay, this is the question. Listen, I'll explain this question. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll record it. Okay, then I'll send you. Listen, here, question here, a well. And not only that, this class will repeat for a social class for Bhavans. Okay, right. A well with 10-meter inside diameter. A well with 10-meter inside diameter is dug 14-meter deep. Earth taken out of it, earth taken from here, spread all around to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Okay, listen here now. I'll show. I hope you understood the question, right? I think last year we did this question. Last year students maybe can remember this. I did for you last year itself, this question. Okay, come on. Listen here. The volume of earth dug out equal to volume of earth on the embankment. Correct or not? Volume of earth dug out equal to volume of earth on the embankment. Earth taken from here and keeping earth all around it. That sentence understood or not? Volume of earth dug out equal to volume of earth on the embankment. Is it okay? Hello? That concept understood? No. Volume of earth dug out equal to volume of earth on the embankment. Okay, don't write now. I'll show this one. Okay. So what you wrote now, don't write. I'll give the note. Volume of earth dug out equal to volume of earth on the embankment. Okay. Then second line, volume of earth dug out equal to 5 into R is 5 into 5 into 40. Keep it there. Don't multiply. Just keep it there. Okay. Now, next line, volume of earth on the embankment equal to base area into height. Correct or not? Base area into height. Base area means pi capital R square minus pi small r square into h. So pi h into r plus r into r minus r. So pi h is, we have to find out. R is 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5. So pi h into 15 into 5. This is number 2. Equating both, we can find out the h. Okay. I'll give the note. Right. First you write volume of the earth dug out. Volume of the earth dug out equal to volume of the earth dug out equal to volume of the earth dug out equal to volume of earth on the embankment. Volume of earth on the embankment. Next line. Volume of earth dug out equal to pi into 5 into 5 into h, because well looks like a cylinder. Pi r square h. Pi into 5 into 5 into 40. Don't substitute pi value. It's a waste of time. Okay. Keep it there. Next line. Volume of earth on the embankment. Volume of earth on the embankment equal to base area into height. Base area into height. The base area. Base is a ring. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square into h. So pi h common r plus r into r minus r. Pi h into 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5. Pi h into 50 into 5, number 2. And equating, you find out the h. Do first. Okay, try first. Okay, what's the answer? 4/3. You calculate that one. It is, no, it is 2.5, I think. No, what's the answer? 4.66. 4.6. Okay, 4.66. Okay, 4.6 enough. Okay, so next question, right? 500 persons. Next question. 500 persons are taking a dip. Taking a dip. Taking a dip into a cuboidal pond. Into a cuboidal pond. Into a cuboidal pond. Into a cuboidal pond, which is 80 meter long. Which is 80 meter long. 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. 50 meter broad. 50 meter broad. What is the rise of water level in the pond? What is the rise of water level in the pond? What is the rise of water level in the pond? If the average displacement of water, if the average displacement of water, if the average displacement of water by a person is 0.04 meter cube. 0.04 meter cube. Okay, listen. 500 persons are taking a dip into a cuboidal pond which is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. What is the rise of water level in the pond if the average displacement of water by a person is 0.04 meter cube? 0.04 meter cube. Can you try? Okay. The question, look at here. Question here. 500 persons are taking a dip in a cuboidal pond, which is 80-meter long, 50-meter broad. What is the rise of water? Suppose the rise in water is h. So that is, look at here. Here, like 80 into 50 into h equal to 500 persons into how much the water for one person's rise? 0.04. Okay, you find out h. Clear now? Because the volume of water rise, that is equal to the volume of water in the tank, right? So find out h. Okay. Okay, next question. Finish? Hello, 0.5 centimeter. I have finished all right. 80 into 50 into h equal to 500 into 0.04. H is 0.04 centimeter. Okay, so next question. If V, this is star question. If V, capital V, if V is the volume of a cuboid, if V is the volume of a cuboid of dimensions A, B, C, of dimensions A, B, C, if V, capital V, is the volume of a cuboid of dimensions A, B, C, S is its surface area. S is its surface area. S is its surface area. Prove that 1 by V equal to 2 by S into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 1 by V equal to 2 by S into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Okay. Okay. You want to try? Okay, I'll give 2 minutes. You just try first. Okay, try this one. V is the volume, A, B, C are the sides, S is the total surface area. Then show this one. Okay. 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 I'll wait. I'll wait. Asmi, you got? Okay. So anybody got this one? Hello. Okay. Pooja, you got? Look at here. If not getting, listen here. Length is L equal to A. Breadth is B. C equal H equal to C. So volume is, don't put this one. We directly write. Sides are ABC. V equal to ABC. So 1 by V equal to 1 by ABC. Okay. LHS. RHS 2 by S into LCM is ABC. ABC by A, 2B. ABC by B, 2C. Hey, wrong. ABC by A is BC. ABC by B, AC. ABC by C, AB. So that means 2 times AB plus BC plus CA divided by S into ABC. What is this one? 2 times AB plus BC plus CA means 2S by S into ABC. S cancel. This is S. S by S cancel. That is 1 by ABC. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Clear now? Hello? Finish? Length A, breadth is B, height is H, volume is ABC. So LHS is 1 by V equal to 1 by ABC. RHS, taking the LCM, 2 by S into ABC the LCM, BC plus AC plus AB. That is 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. This part is S divided by S into ABC. S cancel 1 by ABC. So LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Isha, okay? Join. Next one, right? The area of 3 adjacent faces of a cuboid. The areas of three adjacent faces of a cuboid. Areas of three adjacent faces of a cuboid. Areas of three adjacent faces of a cuboid are x, y, z. Areas of three adjacent faces of a cuboid are x, y, z. Prove that V, volume equal to root of x, y, z. Prove that volume equal to root of x, y, z. Prove that volume equal to, you have shown that what? V equal to root of x, y, z. Okay, try now. Okay, so look at here. You got the question. Look, hello. This one, three adjacent faces. Look at here. Phase one. Hello. Phase one, phase two, and phase three. Look, phase one. So that is L into B. LBH. So L into B equal to X. Phase 2 here. L into H. LH equal to Y. Phase 3. L and B and H. BH equal to Z. Multiply. What will you get? L square, B square, H square equal to X, Y, Z. So that means LBH whole square equal to XYZ. That means V square equal to XYZ, V equal to root of XYZ. V equal to root of XYZ. Clear now? The first area of the first side, L into B, X. Second, B into H, Z. Third, LH, Y. So multiply all. Okay. Okay, you got? Keep LBH with you. LBH. L into B, X. B into H, Z. LH, Y. So just multiply. Clear now? Okay or not? Aditi? Okay, next question. Right. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. A sphere of diameter. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel. In a right circular cylindrical vessel, partially filled with water. Partially filled with water. Partially filled with water. Listen, a sphere of diameter a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel. In a right circular cylindrical vessel, partially filled with water. The diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 12 centimeter. The diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 12 centimeter. Okay. The sphere is completely submerged. If the sphere is completely submerged, the sphere is completely submerged in water. The sphere is completely submerged in water. By how much? By how much will the level of water? Will the level of water? Level of water rise in the cylindrical vessel. Rise in the cylindrical vessel. Rise in the cylindrical vessel. Question again. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel partially filled with water. The diameter of cylindrical vessel is 12 centimeter. If the sphere is completely submerged in water, how much water level rise in the cylindrical vessel? Okay. Just listen. This one is 6 centimeter. Okay. Originally, this much water is there. Okay. This much water already there. Now a sphere is inside of radius 3 centimeter. What happened? The water level will rise. Correct or not? Water level rise. Okay. This part will rise. Height h. Okay. How much water rise? You know, water is a special quality there is. Which container, right? Which container in water, the shape also same. Correct or not? Hello. Suppose water is in a cylindrical, shape is cylindrical. Water is in a conical vessel, conical vessel. Water is in a cuboid, cuboid shape. Water is just like a Malayali. Wherever he go, act like that. Okay. So here, what we can do now? You can write volume of water. Listen, you draw the figure like this. Cylinder radius is 6 centimeter and sphere radius is 3 centimeter. Then you write volume of water rise in the cylinder equal to volume of the sphere. Agree or not? By what? This is who said? Volume of water, studied in physics. Volume of water rise in the cylinder equal to volume of the sphere. Which theorem? Yes. Okay, study this one, right? Okay. So you can find out now. Draw figure and find out. Draw fast. So volume of water rise the cylinder. 5 into R is 6 into 6 into H equal to 4 by 3. 5 into R is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cancel. 5 cancel. So 6 into H equal to 3 into 3 into 4. H equal to 3 into 3 into 4 divided by 6 into 6. 6 cancel 2. 6 cancel 2. Oh, 1. That means H equal to what? 1 centimeter. Clear now? H equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So study up to here. Next class will be difficult level questions. Okay. This is easy level. First of all, by heart all the formulas. Okay. I hope 15th of October we can finish entire chapters. Now, because we spent time for revisions, that's why we didn't finish it. The plan was September. Okay. Almost 1 month we did revisions. So next class, by heart all the formulas. Okay, we'll continue next class. Okay, that's enough today.